Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm gonna show you how to do this very amazing glamorous cut crease with lots and lots of glitter. So to begin this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna use my favorite eyeshadow base. This is Blank Canvas by PLouise. I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid with a concealer brush. And next, I'm gonna just dab with the tip of my fingers to remove the excess product. And for today's look, I'm gonna use the Dream palette. This is one of my favorite palettes by Sigma Beauty. Look at these colors, they are amazing. So to begin, I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow and angled brush to create the shape of my cut crease. So I'm gonna be adding a little at a time this color above my crease. And next, I'm going to use a warm brown eyeshadow to smudge it out. And to apply this eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a fluffy blending brush. All the brushes that I'm using here are from Sigma Beauty and PLouise. I really love this brand so much. And Sigma Beauty is my favorite for brushes, and all the products as well. The formula are so great. These eyeshadow palettes are so wearable. You can create many different looks with it, and I really like the colors. I'm gonna be adding the same brown eyeshadow in the other corner of my eyes, but just the brown eyeshadow. I don't want to apply black eyeshadow right here because the black eyeshadow is just to create more depth and dimension into this look. Next, I'm gonna clean up the eyelid using the same eyeshadow base as before and the same concealer brush that I applied as well. I'm gonna apply the same brown eyeshadow with the same blending brush in the lower lash line. And now I'm gonna be using the lightest cream eyeshadow from the palette and apply in the tear duct of my eyes just to highlight a little bit and to create this amazing dimension and gradient of colors. To create the white line in the contrast of my makeup, in the eyeliner and also in the cut crease, I'm gonna be using the same eyeshadow base as before and the eyeliner brush. And now I'm gonna just line my eyes using the gel liner Wicked by Sigma and the E06 brush, also by Sigma. I love this little angled brush to create my eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a very big cat eye effect. So I'm gonna just line my eyes, and later on I'm gonna apply a glitter. You can use any glitter of your choice. I used this one because it's a little bigger and I really like this effect. But you can use any glitter that you want. You can use any color as well because as you can see here, all this makeup look is neutral. And if you prefer, you can use this makeup look all matte as it is. I'm gonna be applying a little bit of the gel liner in the lower lash line as well and smudge it out with a firm shader brush without any product in the brush. And to blend even more, I'm gonna use the same brown eyeshadow that I was using before. Next, to conclude this look, I'm gonna use my fake lashes and lots of mascara to stick the natural eyelashes with the fake ones. And this is how I finish my eyes. So now I'm gonna move on to my lips. I'm gonna be using the lip contour by Melt Cosmetics and also the lipstick. Today I'm using the liquid lipstick by BH Cosmetics, and this is how I finish this makeup look. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and spread it to your friends. I will be so happy. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what I want to see next here in my channel. I will be so happy to know, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!